Sure.
Just give me your opinion, Tommy. What do you think if you just flown this?
This is mind blowing. I haven't flown something an ultralight. That's what you categorize this, right?
HD toothpick.
Yeah. So basically an HD toothpick, and this freaking moves. It's been a long time since I've dabbled in the micro side. I've only dabbled with the heavier, like more cinematic style stuff. But this is definitely like point and shoot. Like this is nice. This is definitely really nice.
Cool.
Yes, they're right. Second version of the Evo is quite nice, but I kind of don't like it because it has some defects that I kindly managed to solve. And in the meantime, I went on another design which I called version 3, Mark 3 of the Evo 2 frame, and it's that particular version that I'd like to introduce quickly today. So basically, what's the point with this third version of that design? It's still a 3-inch frame. That is initially intended to carry a bigger camera, let's say a HD camera, all-in-one HD camera. But on this particular frame, I went with another approach that is modular this time. So basically, you have a central base plate, which is a deadcat pickle toothpick style frame. And you simply add extension plates to fit different kind of camera or different kind of gear on that base frame, let's say. So this particular one is intended to carry a Nano HD camera, so it's quite small. And mainly you're supposed to use whoop style boards, so you have the pattern here, and the bottom plate is simply screwed, in fact, on the mounting holes of the frame and attached with lock nuts in order to hold it in place correctly. This sample is 3 millimeters thick, and the plates are 2 millimeters, which is a bit too much because it's really strong in the middle. It's stiff. It's really stiff, and it could be a bit thinner on the plates to save a bit of weight. 1.5 millimeter should be really fine for this build. This actual setup here is 20 grams with all the screws, all the standoffs and stuff like that. I told you that it's a modular design, so basically I made another build version using only the main plate. So as you can see, this one is just a deadcat 3-inch toothpick style build, here mounted with a 65 millimeter gear just to test and fit, and it's perfectly fine as is, and stiff enough to be flown like that. So the next evolution I'm going to make is, or it's already on the Thingiverse, I think when this video is released, is another plate set that can hold Tarsier or hybrid, RunCam hybrid camera, so a bigger HD camera for this one. So you basically just get cut what you need, depending on the camera you're going or willing to use on this modular setup. And another thing I'm testing is, I don't know if you can see correctly here, there is a TPU insert between the base frame and the plates, and this is the intent of this one is to dampen vibrations that can go to the camera, mainly to the camera because, as I was told by someone on Facebook, the fact that the screws go through all the holes, it kind of prevents this mechanism to work perfectly, and which is true, but maybe not 100%. It's partially true, let's say. And the other thing, I don't know what would be the correct thickness for that. All these efforts being made to avoid having too much jello on the nano cameras, because it seems that you kind of have a lot of jello and quite hard to get rid of that. But let's see how this one comes out as soon as I'll be able to test it. So basically, I just received the frame yesterday, so I have to transplant some gear and make a test flight. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you will find some interest in this. These two designs, which in fact is just one. You can find all the files on the Thingiverse of the Evo2 Mark 3 project online. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.